In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ACF fields to WooCommerce products. If you're looking to enhance your WooCommerce store with custom fields that allow for more detailed and tailored product information, you're in the right place. Whether you want to add fields for brands, product types, or other specific attributes, this tutorial will guide you step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to create a more dynamic and personalized shopping experience for your customers. So let's jump right in and get started. First, the foundation of this process is the Advanced Custom Fields plugin, or ACF for short. To begin, you'll need to install and activate this plugin on your WordPress website. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section, and search for Advanced Custom Fields. Once you find it, click Install Now, and after the installation is complete, activate the plugin. This plugin is powerful and easy to use, and it's what makes customizing WooCommerce products so seamless. Once the plugin is activated, look for the Custom Fields section in your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll land on the page where you can manage or create custom field groups. To create a new one, click the Add New button. This brings up the editor for your new field group. Start by giving your field group a name. Choose something relevant and intuitive, like ACF products. This name will help you keep track of the fields you're about to create. Once that's done, it's time to add your first field. Click on Add Field, and you'll notice a variety of field types you can choose from. For the first field, let's set the field type to text and name it something straightforward like brand. This field will allow you to input any brand name directly. If you'd prefer predefined options, you can set the field type to select instead. With the select option, you can add choices like Nike, Reebok, and Adidas, giving you a drop-down menu to choose from later. This is especially useful for maintaining consistency in your product data. Next, let's add another field by clicking Add Field again. This time, set the field type to radio button and give it a name like type. Radio buttons are a great way to offer mutually exclusive options. For instance, you might add options like male, female, and unisex. This setup ensures that the user can select only one option at a time. Before you save, scroll down to the Rules section. This is where you specify where these fields should appear. Set the rule so that the post type is equal to product. This ensures these fields only show up when you're editing WooCommerce products. Once you've configured everything, click Save Changes. Now, it's time to apply these fields to your products. Navigate to the Products section in your dashboard and choose a product to edit. As you scroll down in the product editor, you'll see the new ACF fields you just created. Select or input the appropriate values for these fields. For example, you might choose Adidas for the brand and unisex for the type. Once you're done, hit the Update button to save your changes. Next, let's display these custom fields on your product pages. To do this, you'll need to edit your single product template. Using a page builder like Elementor, open the template editor. Start by adding a heading widget to your product layout. In the widget settings, click the dynamic tags icon and select ACF field from the dropdown. Then, click the wrench icon next to the ACF field option and choose the field you want to display, like brand. You can style the heading widget as needed. For instance, you might add brand before the dynamic field value for clarity. To display multiple fields, you can use an icon list widget. Drag the widget into your layout and remove the default icons and list items. For each new list item, click the dynamic tags icon and select ACF field. Choose the field you want to showcase, like brand or type, and style it to fit your design. You can duplicate the list item and repeat this process for additional fields. Once all your fields are added, take a moment to refine the styling, such as adjusting spacing, adding dividers, or aligning items for a clean and professional look. When everything is set, save your changes and preview the product template to ensure the ACF fields display correctly. This final step ties everything together, making your product pages more informative and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Happy customizing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.